Hey guys, how you doing today? So right now I'm doing some garden consulting work. So I'm out in right now Fairburn, Georgia, and I so happened to see an article about food shortages from local food chains, Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, and such. The thing you have to understand is a lot of this is going to be right in your face. It's going to start with, of course, food. People are gonna say, "Oh, I don't need McDonald's anyway, or I don't need Burger King anyway. You know, I could do without that." But remember, it's always a soft blow before you get hit with that hard blow. This is why I express: prepare yourself. You know, they're not going to. They're not going to just automatically cut off the food supply, because that's going to cause an upheaval and it's going to cause rioting. And so what they do is everything happens in how you say it, and in blocks. Everything happens in sessions, you know, because they have to get you used to and accustomed to living without certain things. It's all psychological. It's something that psychology is real, you know. And the one thing, I did a profession for 23 years, and the one thing you understand about humans is that there's nothing new under the sun. We're pretty predictable people. We're pretty predictable in our responses, and we're pretty predictable in how we're going to handle things, you know. And they spend a lot of time and a lot of money investing in predicting your behavior. So understand this: Taco Bell, McDonald's, and all that, that's slight. You're not going to really mind that they have food shortages. It's going to start at Taco Bell, okay? Then it's going to start at your corner stores. Then it's going to start at your local grocery stores. Then it's going to start at your farmer's market. This is all intentional. This is about control. This is about manipulation, okay? Like I said, I don't try to say too much, but I need you guys to think for yourselves, and I really, really need you to do some real research, you know. You're gonna have to do your own research. I know a lot of people don't want to Google stuff or pick up a book. They rather, you know, hear somebody like me or some other Instagram influencer give you the information. You know, the thing you got to understand about information is everybody's gonna perceive things a lot differently, you know. And I can only tell you from my perception of what things are. But I'm telling you, I need you guys to do your research. I need you guys to think for yourselves. They don't want you to think for yourselves. They want to think for you. So I'm going to get back, and I have a garden right now I'm installing for a client in Fairburn, and I'm putting down some compost and some seedlings. But I really need you guys to think for yourself and understand this is real. It's going to happen, and I don't want you guys to be in fear. Fear is not gonna work. You know, you're gonna have to just get strong. You're gonna have to strengthen and take actions, because there is more of us than it is of them. But fear is not an option. I need you to be strong, and I need you to understand that we can overcome this and we can win this battle. But we're gonna have to maybe take up things that we're gonna have to dig deep and find something within us that we have never found before. But fear is not an option, and I don't want you guys to be afraid. I want you guys to be strong. I want you guys to be understanding, and I want you guys to understand that we can overcome this, but we have to prepare. So you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys later.